Creating instrumental music for videos, presentations, or events is now possible with AI. So if you're looking to create unique music and you don't have access to music production software, you can now create it using AI by typing in your prompt or the music style that you want to create. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own music using the latest version 5 model in Suno AI. We'll also cover how you can generate your own music using various different styles, and I'll also give you some practical tips so you're not wasting valuable credits. To begin, head over to the Suno AI website, and I'll include a link in the description below. Now, if you're new to Suno, click Sign In, and here you'll be able to create your account using Google, Discord, your email address or phone number. Now, if you use the link in the description below, you'll receive some free credits. So once you've logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can start creating your music. So from the dashboard, you can select Create, and here you can see a number of text fields where you can enter your lyrics to generate the song, or you can describe the type of instrumental music you want to generate under Styles. So under the lyrics section, we're going to leave this section blank as we're creating instrumental music. However, if you're looking to generate music with lyrics, you can enter your lyrics here. Now let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a separate video on how to do this. Now under Styles, you can type in your description or prompt here. So for an example, you might want to describe the mood, the tempo, the instruments, or how the music will be used, such as background music for a video or a presentation to give the AI context in terms of the music that you want to create. So here are a few tips to help you get better results without wasting your credits. Now first, if you have something in mind, make sure that you're specific in terms of your prompt. So instead of saying calm music, try describing the mood, the pace, the instruments, such as slow ambient piano with soft pads. Next, you want to think about your use case. So music for YouTube videos, presentation, corporate functions, meditation, or background ambience music all have different styles, energy levels, and vibe to it. So you want to be descriptive as possible. Now don't be afraid to regenerate it if needed. So if the first result isn't quite right, you can always adjust your prompt slightly and generate it again. Now based on my experience, small wording changes can make a big difference. And you can even use the magic wand here, and Suno will help you write your prompt. And finally, you want to make sure your prompts are focused. So for an example, overloading your prompt with too many styles or instruments can often lead to messy results. To help you get started, I've created a cheat sheet here for you, which includes 20 ready-to-use prompts where you can copy and paste into Suno to create different styles of instrumental music. So here we've got some prompts for ambient or cinematic music, corporate style music, as well as other styles that you can see here. And I'll include a link in the description below where you can download it for free. So in this video, we're going to be creating a corporate style music track, and I'm going to use one of the prompts that I created in the cheat sheet and copy and paste the details here. Once you've entered your prompt, select Create. Now within a few seconds, you'll see your instrumental music appear in your workspace here, and it will automatically create 2 versions for you based on the prompt that you entered earlier. Now while the tracks are loading, you can listen to the music by clicking on the play button to preview it straight away. Now let's have a listen to the second track. They're both quite good in terms of a music track for a professional environment, so you may want to use them for presentation or training material or workshops. Now let's try a different style of music. So now if we just open the cheat sheet, let's have a look to see which one we might use. So let's pick one of the cinematic ones here and copy the prompt over and select Create. Now let's have a listen to the first track. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love cinematic tracks. Now, once you're happy with any of the tracks, you can click on the ellipsis or the three dots next to the soundtrack, and here you'll be able to select download, and you can download the file in the required format. Now, this can be an MP file or a WAV file, depending upon your use case. Now, the music track will automatically download directly onto your computer, ready for you to use in your videos, presentation, other related projects. And you can even save your favorites to a playlist here. So if you want to give Suno AI a try, make sure you hit the link in the description below where you can try it for free and get some free credits. And don't forget to download the free cheat sheet where you get 20 prompts to give it a try. In the next video, I'll show you how you can extend the music track so you're not limited to the short clips and you can create longer videos for presentations and other projects. In the meantime, I'll play the cinematic music that we've created and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.